Bill Goudy checking in. Got a request. I think it was Larry Gorst. An excellent sub. I don't think he makes any videos, but I'll put his link down below. He wondered if I ever made split pea soup with ham. And that was one of my mom's favorites. Oh, man. So, I'm going to whip up a batch today. Put it in the Dutch oven. And cook it up. Join me, will you? Here's what you're going to need. Ham. Bacon. There's one medium onion and, I don't know, a whole head of garlic in there. 1 pound of split peas. Chicken stock, chicken broth, black pepper, and bay leaves. And I don't have any thyme, but I think it called for thyme and I don't have any. So I'm out of time. All out. Anyway, I'm going to put this in the Dutch oven and get to cooking. This is my Texport 8-quart Dutch oven. This works out real good for this. I've washed my peas off and inspected them, make sure there was no foreign materials in there, and they look good. First thing we want to do is get our bacon going. Bacon's looking pretty brown. Got the garlic and 1 medium onion. Gotta be careful not to milk that bag. Sure. Onions are just about done. Onions are looking good. Time to add our chicken broth. Now we add the ham. Oh yeah. Now we add the peas. Yeah, them are washed, so they're a little wet. Now we pepper it and add bay leaves to it and let it simmer for about, oh no, at least 30 to 40 minutes. Hey, all we got to do now is sit back and wait. As much as I'd like to have crackers, they're made with enriched flour and have a quite significant amount of carbs in them. I'm going to use this Ezekiel bread. I'm going to cut it up in chunks and make my own little croutons. in place of the crackers. It's been about 20 minutes. Give it a little bit longer. Well, you know what time it is. Let's get those priorities straight, shall we? I want to say thank you to Crawdaddy Forge, Mark. He made this, yeah, neck knife, bottle opener, striker for me. I just happen to have one of these hard to find. Can you see that? This is well deserved. I'm out of practice. There we go. There we go. Thank you, Mark. If you guys don't got one of these, his link is down below. He'll fix you right up. Cheers. That's good. Well, I'm running out of light once again. What's new about that? Of course, it gets dark at 4:30 now. It's crazy. Oh, that's so good. This is just one of my favorites. This is an excellent suggestion, Larry. Thank you so much. Bill Goudy out. Thanks for watching. Bill Goudy out.